Welcome to Braze, the customer engagement platform that forms strong bonds between people and the brands they love. But what is a customer engagement platform? So glad you asked.
At Braze, we help you build real, long-lasting relationships with your customers. And how do you build a relationship? By having conversations and learning about one another. But nobody wants to have a conversation with someone who overshares and doesn't listen. That's basically what's happening when a company blasts all their users with the same message, whether it be a monthly newsletter or new discounts. That's where we come in. First, we listen. Using our platform, you can follow the life cycle of your customers by tracking exactly what they're doing on your app or site and when. Then, you can craft personalized messages based on these behaviors and automate their delivery through the channels that resonate most with them. So pretty useful in humanizing your brand and showing folks you're listening. But what impact will that really make? Well, think about how many apps you use just during your morning commute, or during your lunch break, or before you go to sleep. Mobile apps and web have become the primary landscapes through which users interact with brands. Companies using tech to capture this data and act on it are forging entirely new paths to brand loyalty and ROI. They are becoming disruptors in their industries by building authentic, real-time relationships at scale. Those who aren't are being left behind. So get up to speed with Braze and disrupt, or be disrupted.